It's not so bad. It's pretty bad. It's not that bad.
Hey, there's an intimidating man in a hockey mask barreling towards me. He looks so nice and strong. Maybe he can save me from the danger I put myself in. Maybe I'll ask him. Excuse me, sir.
Hi. Hey,
Jack. You're alive.
Let's make Daddy proud.
For Daddy.
1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war.
No cheaters count, bitch.
I don't know why you even care about White Paw Trevor. You're a fashion designer.
That was really tough. Now, is this Bronze? Is he locked up?
No, he owns a custom car garage.
Well, give it time. Well, that concludes this week's meeting. And next week we'll be discussing wedding etiquette, how to fake the electric slide. Oh, come on, that's not even possible. What the hell? What's wrong?
it's just a movie.
Are you kidding? Did you not hear that? Oh, come the fuck on.